Alright, so we got here a HP laptop. We're going to replace the keyboard on this. As you can see, the keyboard is actually faulty. Some of the keys don't work really well. And we're going to see if this can be fixed quite easily. Okay, so okay, all right, and we got the new keyboard that arrived. Now the problem with this laptop, some of the keys are working, some are not. And I hope that's the issue. It could not be the issue. We don't have another keyboard to test it out, so this is the only way. Brand new, nice. The keyboard looks slightly different. This is not going to be nice. See, sometimes you need to watch out for these things. Should be fine. Okay. Now, to remove the keyboard is quite easy. On the other side of the laptop there are two screws which hold the keyboard in place, so you really can't go wrong. Once you remove those screws, you just pop the keyboard out, and I'll show you how I put it in. It's just the same way of popping it out. And before doing a full install, it's ideal to do a test, make sure all the keys work fine. And the way I was testing before, the volume key wasn't working. Okay, so before the down key was not working, and now the up and down arrow keys are working. This is just a clear indicator that the keyboard is now fully operational. Before that wasn't happening. And so I'll show you how to put it back. I'll let this boot. So push all the clips on the side in. Make sure you hear clicks. Click, 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 click all the way. You may want to peel that new seal off, it's up to you. I usually let the customers do that. Okay, we'll let the windows load. And so as I mentioned, there is one screw here and there is another screw there. Two screws which you'll just need to insert and should be good to go. Great. Those two are in there, beautiful. And simply pop the cover back in. And this keyboard model that I've got is the LX9 made by Kanta. Okay. And when you do replace keyboards or any components, if you got the manufacturer's product code like this, it will tell you the exact part you will need, and your suppliers actually put this in the product description so you can get compatible parts with it. Screws that I was looking for are actually in here, so I get forgetful sometimes. It's fine. And just quickly have a look, see if all the keys are working. Yep, sweet ass. That's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.